Today Dell laptop arrived in dead condition. The problem was in 19-volt sections charging charging section. The charging IC is BQ series. I replaced the charging IC. You can see the old charging ICs. This is the charging IC and this is the MOSFET. Both are changed on this motherboard. Now it is ready to run. I did not complete the assembled, just repaired the motherboard now. I'm opening the laptop. You can check. Look, the system is opening. There is no hard disk or SSD, that's why it's not booting to the Windows. But system is ready. Thank you for watching our video. If you need your laptop repair, then contact us by below mentioned phone number. Our service center is located in Dumdum, Shivam Infotech. You can search by Shivam Infotech or you can search by our number. And you can also call me anytime for your laptop issue. Thank you.